Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AnHome channel. Today, we're tackling a question that many of you have asked: how do I contact Instagram? Whether you're dealing with account issues or just need some help navigating the app, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in. Step 1, open the Instagram app, locate the Instagram icon on your smartphone and tap to open the application. Step 2, go to your profile. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a person or your profile picture. Tap on this icon to go to your profile page. Step 3, access the menu. On your profile page, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon, in the top right corner. Tap on this icon to reveal the menu options. Step 4, select Settings. In the menu that appears, you'll find several options. Look for the gear icon labeled Settings and tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 5, scroll to Help. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Help option. It's usually located near the bottom of the list. Step 6, enter the Help Center. Tap on Help Center to open Instagram's Help Center within the app. Here, you can browse through various help topics and articles that may address your issue or question. Remember, Instagram doesn't offer direct phone support due to the sheer number of users. But these steps should help you resolve most issues. For more tips, check out the links in our video description below. That's it for today's guide on contacting Instagram support. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.